my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Snehal Mahajan, your inside out specialist, and today I'm going to tell you about anger management. Do you fume when someone cuts you in the traffic? Or does your blood pressure rockets when your child refuses to cooperate? It is nothing but an anger. And anger is a normal and even healthy emotion. But it's important to deal with this anger in a positive way. Otherwise, this uncontrolled anger can toll on your health as well as on your relationship. So, are you ready to control your anger? Then start by considering all these 5 anger management tips. Number 1, think before you speak. Whenever you are angry and say something to someone and then later regret, so take few moments to collect those thoughts before saying anything and allow others to involve in the situation to do the same. Number 2, calm yourself and express your anger. As soon as you are feeling that your thoughts are clear, express your frustration in an assertive but non-confrontational way. State your needs, your intention clearly and directly without hurting others or trying to control them. Number 3, do some exercise. Physical activity can help you to reduce your stress that can cause you to become angry. If you are feeling your anger is escalating, then go for a brisk walk or run or do something that will give you enjoyment. Do that physical activity which will give you enjoyment. Number 4, take a time out. Timeouts are not just for kids. If you are feeling that you are tired, give yourself some break throughout the day, during the daytime, so that you will feel more relaxed. Also, I'm sure if you take some time in a quiet, if you spend that time in a quiet, you will feel more better and it will help you to prepare and handle other situations which are coming in front of you without getting angry and frustrated. Last but not least, number 5, get some possible solutions. Unnecessarily focusing on what made you mad, try to solve the problems at hand. Like if you find your kids' room is messy, just close the door and relax. Or if your partner is coming late every night for dinner, schedule meals later in the evening. Or agree to eat on your own few times a week. And remind yourself that anger won't do anything, won't fix any problems. Instead, it just make it worse. One more tip I would like to give you here is keeping your temper in check can be challenging. So use anger management tips from taking time outs to using I statements to stay in control. So now what are you waiting for? Now you know all these anger management tips. Try these tips and don't make your anger control you. Instead of that, you start controlling your anger. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also do share it with your friends and family. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. As I always say, everything starts with you, so just do it, and also do share your experience in the comment box below. I would be happy to read it. See you in next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.